For years, Duolingo was just that green owl app that guilt-tripped you into learning Spanish. But in 2026, they have officially pivoted. After adding math and music, they have now rolled out their most requested course ever, chess. If you are looking for the chess feature and can't find it, you aren't crazy. It's hidden in a specific menu. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it, how to calibrate your skill level so you aren't bored, and test if the new Oscar bot is actually any good. Step 1. Open the Duolingo app. You won't find chess in the bottom settings bar. Look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see a flag icon representing the language you are currently studying, like the Spanish or French flag. Tap that flag. This opens the Course Picker menu. In 2026, you will see a new option here next to math and music. It's a chess piece icon. Tap that to switch your entire app interface into chess mode. Step 2. The skill calibration. Duolingo knows that teaching a grandmaster is different from teaching a total beginner. When you launch it, don't skip the onboarding quiz. It will ask beginner, meaning I don't know how pieces move, intermediate, meaning I know what castling and en passant are, or advanced, meaning I have an ELO over 1,000. My advice, even if you know how to play, start with intermediate. If you pick beginner, you will be stuck doing 50 levels of how to move a pawn, which is painfully slow. Step 3. What's actually inside? Unlike chess.com, which is just raw gameplay, Duolingo uses scenario learning. You aren't playing full games at first, you're solving puzzles. The Oscar boss fights. You'll play mini-matches against the character Oscar. I tested his AI and he plays like a roughly 600 to 800 ELO human. He makes intentional mistakes for you to spot. The new PvP mode. As of the January 2026 update, they added a battle tab. This lets you play real-time blitz games against other Duolingo users, not just bots. The verdict. If you want to become a grandmaster, stick to Lichess or chess.com. But if you want to learn the basics of tactics without feeling intimidated, Duolingo Chess is actually a fantastic, low-stress entry point. Go tap that flag icon and let me know, did you beat Oscar on the first try? Thanks for watching.